Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DocuSign for eSignature workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password that contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, select the checkbox to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Start Free Trial button to proceed. You will receive a verification email at the email address you provided. Open your email and look for the verification message from DocuSign. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. After verification, you will be prompted to log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to the DocuSign dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. To create your first eSignature workflow, click on the New button located near the top of the page. Select Send an Envelope from the drop-down options. In the next screen, you will be able to add the documents you want to send for signature. Click on Upload to choose files from your device or select a document from your templates. After uploading, you can add recipients by entering their email addresses. Choose the signing order if necessary. Click on Next to customize your document. Drag and drop signature fields, date fields, or other necessary fields onto your document. Once you have set up the document, click the Send button to initiate the workflow. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your envelope has been sent. You can track the status of your envelopes on the dashboard. To ensure your documents are signed, check for notifications in your email. Once completed, you can download or view the signed documents directly from your DocuSign account. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and created your first eSignature workflow with DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.